Hi guys, and welcome back to Ask Traders. Today I've got a really quick video for you. It's how to set up a demo account with Plus 500. So as you can see, I'm on the home page here, plus500.co.uk. You simply, as you can see, you get two options: start trading now or try free demo account. So we're going to click on this one, which is what we need, of course. You're then taken to this page where you only need to fill out your email here and your password, and then click create demo account. You don't need to provide any details or go through any questionnaire, as you're purely just setting up a Plus 500 demo account, and you won't be given a live account with the demo account as well. So you don't need to go through a long questionnaire, you don't need to fill out any personal details. You'll simply fill out your email, as I said, and your password, and you can go straight into the platform. Then straight away you're taken onto the homepage and their platform, and you can see you get a little message here if we need any help, and you can go through, start trading, start learning or testing your strategies and learning about the platform. So just a really simple and quick video for you there. That's how you set up a demo account with Plus 500. To open a demo account with them, you need to simply press demo account if you're on our website, asktraders.com, or you can hit the link in our description. Anyway, that's all from me. Have a good trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.